Welcome to Karishma Recipe Cookbook. Today I am going to make Indian flatbread. I am going to take 1 cup of wheat flour, adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil and I am taking 1 cup of water. The oil and salt you have to mix well together all. Make sure you're going to use a very little water. Because I'm going to make my dough a little tight. So my dough is getting ready. Make sure you have to use very little water so you can make your dough is little tighter. So my dough is ready now. Now I'm using 1 teaspoon of oil. So my dough don't look dry. Again I'm going to knead my dough. Now my wheat flour dough is ready. Now I'm going to make flatbread. I'm going to take a little bit amount of a dough. I'm going to take a little bit plain flour. Make sure when you're making your flatbread is supposed to be look thicker. Again I'm going to take little bit amount of dough, making that properly round, and give it a little bit pressure. And then I'm going to use a little bit plain flour and then press it. Make sure again you can make your flatbread little bit thicker. Now my flattened bread is ready. Now I'm going to put in the hot pan. Put the flame on medium. My flattened bread is going to cook a little bit brown, and then after I'm going to flip it. Now I'm going to add a half spoon of oil. Now I'm flipping up now again. Now I'm putting a half spoon of oil again and pressing it. Make sure you're not pressing harder. You have to press very gently up both sides until the texture look very soft and little brown. You can see it's look very goldenish brown. If you're going to press harder, then the bhakri will become very harder. It's very hard to chew that. So you have to press very gently. The texture will become little soft. I'm going to show you again. Cook until it's getting little brown. Now you can flip again. You can see I make the first one. Bhakri looks so crispy and golden brown. Adding half spoon of oil, you can flip and give a gentle pressure. Adding a half spoon oil, then flip back and give a gentle pressure. you can cook until like getting a golden brown. It's cooked a very perfect golden brown. So your bhakri is ready now. So it's perfectly cooked and ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.